Assalamualaikum to everyone. Today, my group will present about financial product and services, and we are from section 55. So before I start, I will introduce myself and my friends. So my name is HANNA and my friends are Nur FARZANA AMNI, Nur FASYA NASYIKA and Nur HAZWANI. So Fasha and Hazwani will present about Hong Leong Bank, while me and Fazana will present about MBSP Bank. So Fasha will start first.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will start from Hong Leong Bank. Organization information for Hong Leong Bank. First, background of company. Hong Leong Bank Berhad is a regional financial service company based in Malaysia with presence in Singapore, Hong Kong, Vietnam, Cambodia and China. The bank is technology focused and emphasizes the development of financial capabilities to serve its client across the five geographies. Hong Leong Bank Berhad is listed on Bursa Malaysia and form part of the Hong Leong Group. In Kuala Lumpur, the bank has a strong Malaysian entrepreneurship heritage. Hong Leong Bank was originally incorporated as Wong Lee Mortgage and Remittance Company in 1905 in Kuching, Sarawak and later as Wong Lee Bank Limited in 1934, bearing heritage of the oldest local financial institution in Malaysia. Next. Second, mission, vision or objective for Hong Leong Bank. Hong Leong Bank launched a comprehensive suite of online banking platform for corporate and commercial and SME banking to ensure efficiency and convenience with comprehensive solution designed to help clients run their business smoothly. Second, in the same year, the bank moved its headquarters to Menara Hong Leong in Damansara City and established the first Hong Leong Bank digital concept flagship branch. Third, part of its effort in digitization and through continuous optimization and integration of electronic and digital facilities and process to enhance the overall customer banking journey. Next. Type of industry and product for Hong Leong Bank have two. First, Hong Leong Bank SME solar financing. First, with production and operational cost on the risk, business now seeking ways to be more cost efficient and exploring avenues that give significant saving while. Second, SME like have achieved first financing collateralized against property, second financial collateralized against property and SJPP guarantee, and last financing guarantee by SJPP up to 70% of loan amount. Next. This is our organization chart for Hong Leong Bank. Next. I pass to Wani.
For introduction, Hong Leong Islamic Bank strategically focused on the provision of holistic solution based on the tenets and principle of Sharia law. Offer its customer a wide range of innovative solutions, which amongst others include structured finance, business and corporate banking, personal financial service, Islamic global markets, and wealth management. These offerings are supported by continuous and deliberate effort towards achieving excellence in service delivery, of which has rewarded Hong Leong Islamic Bank with strong financial results, standing testament to the solid core competencies and fundamentals in its current form. In addition to this, Hong Leong Islamic Bank also pursues the development of its own business niche in fee-based income and Islamic capital markets to further solidify its position as a leading Islamic bank in Malaysia. Next, names and types of services. First, debit card I, personal I. Second, amanah saver, personal I. Third, current account I, personal I. Fourth, commodity mudharabah term financing I, business I. Next, CM cash line I, business I. Next. Feature of the services. Debit card I, contactless functionality. Enable debit card I for overseas transaction. Amanah saver, saving through tax relief. Principal takaful protection. Current account I have no limit on transaction, no limit on the number of transactions made in a single day. Next. Commodity murabahah term financing I, attractive financing scheme, fixed profit rate or multi-tier profit rate. CM cash line I, attractive financing scheme, no commitment fee for until its limit. Next. Strength and limitation. Debit card I allows you to make retail purchases at any outlet that display the Mastercard or Maps or banking card logo. For limitation, desired spend limit between RM1 up to 5,000. Amanah Saver offers combination of takaful protection and investment. For limitation, term rider for person covered provides additional coverage for death and TPD. For hospital income benefit, for rider provides daily income upon hospitalization. Next. For current account I, a deposit account based on the Sharia principle of tawaruk. For limitation, stamp duty of 50 cent per check, check for processing free 50 cent per issuance. For community murabahah term financing I, based on the Sharia principle of murabahah via tawaruk. Limitation trading fee for SME customer, RM70.50 for every 1 million of financing amount on a prorated basis. For non-SME customer, RM50 for every 1 million of financing amount on a prorated basis. Next. CM cash line I, based on Sharia principle of murabahah via tawaruk. For limitation, trading fee for SME customer, RM4 for every 1 million of financing amount on prorated basis. For non-SME customer, RM8 for every 1 million of financing amount on a prorated basis. Next. Comparison NBSB Bank and Hong Leong Islamic. NBSB and Hong Leong Islamic Bank has investment account. For NBSB have interest rate, and Hong Leong Islamic Bank have a trust receipt. And NBSB have no unit trust, but Hong Leong Islamic Bank have a unit trust. Next. Next, I will pass to Fasya.
Recommendation improvement of service for Hong Leong banks. First, college. Very good to have you and willing to share about job experience to new or old staff. Second, new technology or new general curriculum will be on job training. Got problem will be solved together. Third, senior management basically do not care about lower level ranking employers. For management management is cooperative and overall relaxed environment. And last, it does not let you connect with internet and all product you can only access through the second gateway. Okay, next. I will pass to Wani.
For suggestion, culture and work-life balance, the employer should develop and deploy strategies to reduce the imbalance between employees' work and personal lives. Senior management do not care about lower level ranking employees. They should respect lower ranking employees as individuals in addition to the job they do. Third one, management is cooperative and overall relaxed environment. Secure infrastructure implies the database system and servers where data is stored and the boundaries are stabilized. Next.
Okay, last conclusion for Hong Leong Bank. Hong Leong Bank has the ability to become a strong and stable bank if the bank maintains its current business activity. Okay, Hong Leong Bank come from the banks. Other than that, Hong Leong proved that the vision together with determination, innovation and the power to respond to challenge and opportunities to present powerful and complaint first result. The strength and weakness and potential opportunities and threat has been complained, bringing a clearer and a best view of the company. The SWOT analysis helps the company to formulate strategies and augment the business by enabling the company that to understand their partners, customer and competitors better. Next, I pass to Hannah.
Assalamualaikum. So about MBSP Bank, is a fully fledged Islamic bank founded on November 28, 2005, and on November 6, 2017, MBSB entered into a share and purchase agreement with the shareholder of Asian Finance Bank Berhad on January 23, 2018. MBSB shareholder approved the acquisition, and the shareholder also authorized the transfer of MBSB Sharia compliant assets and liabilities to AFB under a membership of arrangement. And lastly, on April 2, 2018, AFB underwent a rebranding process and changed its name to MBSB Bank. So for the vision of company is to be a top progressive Islamic bank. Another one, mission of company is humility, professionalism, ethics, empathy, and passion. So for the type of industry and products, so the MBSP bank industry is commercial since it's provide Islamic banking service, and also provide investment because it allow customer to trade, and MBSP product include a card which is Visa debit card I and a saving account I. This is the organizational chart. Mm. So for the specialized financial services, for the introduction is MBSP provide Sharia compliant property financing solution and allow us to assist in purchasing your property through selection of financing uh, that provide flexibility and simplicity to meet your financing needs, such as like financing rates, high mortgage of financing, and so on. So and this product like have no hidden charge, fast approval, and applicable for public servant and private sector employee. So for the name of the services, it actually have two. So first one is Murabaha and second one is for the Tawaruk. So for the Murabaha is actually a financing product, while Tawaruk is actually selling something on basic then buying it bank in. For the Tawaruk is actually a Sharia concept in which commodities are employed to assist Murabaha transaction. So for the type and future of services, for the card is Visa debit card I. So for the future of services is quick and convenient and security and fraud transaction. So for the saving account I have Y7 saving account I and cash rich saving account I. So for the future is profit rate, quarterly statement of account, yearly tawaruk notice, and for the current account I have prime rich current account I and basic current account I with fee. And for the future is the yearly tawaruk notice, fixed monthly profit, and no introducer required. So for the safe deposit box is actually have for the future is actually Sharia concept ijarah at no cost. So for the well management have the will writing. So for the future is to safeguard the future of your loved ones by formulating a distribution of your choice and the appointment of a trustworthy guardian by your will helps. So for the strength and limitation, for the strength for the Visa debit card I is actually quick and convenient. It also cashless, and for the limitation is actually if your card got stolen or forgotten or lost, so the consumer will be charged like RM12 ringgit. So for the saving account for the strength is profit is guaranteed every month and the tawaruk notice is published once a year. And so for the limitation is 70% package loan due to significant future commitments. MBSB borrower may have difficulty applying for credit facilities such as credit cards or vehicle loan. So for the will writing, for the strength is all documents adopted are based on Sharia and endorsed by our Sharia advisor. So for the limitation is the danger is that the heirs may be unaware that the testator created the wasiat. Without a doubt, two custody cards. So for the strength personal financing IMBSB, no requirement for a guarantor and the funding is simple to obtain. So quick clearance is beneficial to the customer. So for the limitation is MBSB bank may consolidate all or any of the applicants account including any money in MBSB bank saving through salary deduction by the employer. And so I will give this at Zana.
Recommendations, improvement of service. MBSP Bank has a great customer service where they treat their customers daily and ignoring customers' complaints. One of the complaints are the customers ask them for a refund and moratorium, but this problem didn't even solve until now. They also have lazy employees where they didn't do their job as a bank worker. They also failing to keep customers' trust. They did fulfill their promises to their customers, and this makes them don't want to choose MBSC Bank as the bank they want to use. Next. Suggestions. Improve their services. When the customer have a complaint, they should give feedback to them and solve the problems immediately, so the customer will feel satisfied by the service. Second, help the employees get better. The employees should get training and be friendly with the customers, and the customers will come back. It will attract more customers, which means success for the bank. Lastly, give loyalty and trust to customers. When the employees give them a great experience, they will be a trust to the bank and will recommend the products and services to others. This will provide more value to the bank business. Next. Conclusion. Banks play a very important role in the economic development of nations as they will control over the supply of money in circulation. The performance of bank institutions and other financial institutions need to be evaluated because it defines as the reflection of the way banks achieve objectives. Banks are also become integral part of our society and stabilizing the economic activities of the country. However, other financial institutions exist that are not restricted by such regulations such as savings and loans, credit unions, investment and merchant banks, shadow banks, Islamic banks and industrial banks. We all can conclude that banks are a very important part of our life as well as for the fast economic growth of every country. Thank you.